Introducing Bernard's IronPro series. Built for demanding jobs, crafted for comfort, designed for difficult positions. It's time to change the way you weld. With 2 available neck sizes, both are interchangeable and rotatable. Bernard's IronPro self-shielded guns are versatile to meet your needs. Paired with the trusted AccuLock S consumables, the IronPro series increases contact tip life, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. The non-metallic trigger absorbs less heat, providing a cooler and more comfortable grip during extended use. While the internal trigger leads prevent cord snags, promotes a safer job site and smoother operation. Interchangeable power pins make the IronPro series compatible with any power source. Designed with ergonomics in mind, Bernard's IronPro offers exceptional maneuverability even in hard-to-reach spaces. And with its lightweight, balanced yet durable design, it delivers heavy-duty performance, optimized for comfort. Discover the IronPro series at welding.com.au.